Hare Krishna, I wanted to show you how to run the diacritics utility from Pratyatosa Prabhu offline. First you need to install httrack, download link below, and download the website. It's very easy, you just paste the URL, I will post it below, and also the download links where or you can directly download this already ripped version. And then you need to install xampp from Apache Friends. Download links below. And then you need to install xampp either on your C drive or D drive, and there's a folder called htdocs. And there you need to copy this diacritics utility files. I will link it down below to Mediafire. And then you have to run the xampp control panel and click Start, MySQL Start, and then you can open the Internet Explorer and enter this URL http://localhost/diacritics utility, and then you have the offline version. Then you can just paste text from the Vedabase here and convert it to Unicode. I will show you. If you go to the Vedabase, let's take something from Srimad Bhagavatam. So then you select right click copy, and then you go here, right click paste. Now the diacritics are messed up. So now you go to convert Vedabase to Unicode, select go, 13 changes made. Now it works offline. But it didn't work for me in other browsers. If I open this HTTP localhost/diacritics utility in Opera or Chrome browsers, it didn't work for me personally. It only works on Internet Explorer. So then you can click here and drag this to your desktop. You can easily access it, as like a shortcut. Click here, drag it to your desktop and drop it there. Then you have a nice shortcut.